In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated review requests in GoHighLevel. We're going to set up a simple, reliable workflow that automatically asks your customers for a review after a key event, like when a payment comes in. This saves you time and makes sure you never forget to follow up. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. From there, look for the menu option called Automation and click on it. This is where all your workflows live. On the automations page, click on Create Workflow. When GoHighLevel asks how you want to start, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over what happens and when. At the top, click on the Workflow name field and give it a clear, descriptive name so you recognize it later, something like Automated Review Request Sequence. Type in the name and confirm it. Next, we need to decide what will trigger this workflow. Click on Add New Trigger. A list of possible triggers will appear. Choose Payment Received, or select the event that makes the most sense for when you want to ask for a review. Once you've picked it, click on Save Trigger. Now you'll see the workflow canvas. Click on the plus icon above End to add your first action. In the search bar, type Wait, then select Wait. This wait step is important because you usually don't want to ask for a review immediately. Use the drop-down to choose whether you want the delay in minutes, hours, or days. Then type in the value that fits your process and click Save Action. After that delay, click Add Action again. Type Send Review Request and select Send Review Request. Under the review type drop-down, choose whether you want this to go out via email, SMS, or WhatsApp, depending on how you've set things up in your reputation settings. Then click Save Action. To add a follow-up reminder, click Add Action again and choose another Wait. Enter the number of minutes, hours, or days you want before sending a second reminder. Adjust the drop-down accordingly and save that action. Then click Add Action once more. Select Send Review Request again. Choose the review type as before and save. When your sequence looks good, you can click on Test Workflow if you want to run a quick check before going live. Finally, toggle the workflow from draft to published and click Save. Your automated review request workflow is now live and ready to collect more feedback on autopilot.